Today I want to show you how to do this Christmas makeup look. It's a cut crease, it's got glitter, so it's a lot of fun. It's really not that hard in terms of that it doesn't really have a lot of steps, so give it a try because it might be a little bit easier than you think, but it's definitely a lot of fun and I'm going to show you how to do it. The first step is going to be to prime your lid, and after you've done that, we're going to take our red eyeshadow. It looks like this, some kind of red shadow like this. I'm going to put it all across my crease, but really above. So make sure that you apply it really high up, really high up, because we're gonna cut it high up as well, because I wanna be able to see that cut with my eyes open like this. So the red's gonna go really high up, it's gonna go all the way across and into the corner. I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush like this and I'm gonna put the red on that. So I'm gonna take a bunch of that red and I'm just gonna start by packing a whole bunch of it really high up above my crease. And then as I do that, I find with the shadow going back and forth a little bit tends to help spread it. So I'm bringing it all the way in. And then at the end, I'm dragging it out and bringing it up. Don't worry too much about the bottom because we're going to go in with concealer anyway and get rid of all this on the bottom. And don't bother with going too far down. We're just focusing on getting this color in. Next, I'm going to blend up on the top a little bit, using a large, thin brush. And I'm blending out the top edges. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip with some makeup remover and I'm going to start removing everything on the lid. I'm going to use this concealer to create the cut crease shape that I'm looking for. So I'm putting it all around the lid, and then when I get to the top, I'm creating the shape that's going to cut the crease. And it's extending out on the edge as well. So make sure when you open your eyes, you can still see the line. Now I'm gonna take a green. I'm gonna use this green and I'm gonna start packing it all over my lid. I'm gonna concentrate most of it in the beginning, closer to my lash line, and then start to blend it up because I want it to be blended when it gets towards this top concealer line. I don't want it to touch the line or be too harsh of a line. I just want it to be a blend from the green up. So I'm going to concentrate the most down farther, but then as I go up, it's going to get a little bit lighter and a little more blended out. And I'm also bringing this in all the way into the inner corner. Then when I get to towards the end, I'm dragging it in the same shape. I'm following that same curve up and out. I didn't do my eyebrows because I didn't want the shape of my eyebrows to get in the way of the eyeshadow since I was putting it up really high. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly right now, since I've already finished that red shadow that's so close to the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to apply some eyeliner to my upper waterline. And now I'm going to do a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to start on the inner corner, and I'm going to create a thin black line that goes all the way from the inner corner and is still flat and thin, and I'm bringing it all the way to the edge, and then I'll do the wing from there. Now once I get to the edge and I'm doing the wing, I'm gonna follow the shape of this green shadow. I'm taking it out pretty long. Next I'm gonna go in with some glitter. I'm just gonna use sort of like, if you have like a white glitter or a silver glitter, this is what I'm gonna use. It's from the Tati Beauty palette. It's the glitter in the shade Aura. And I'm gonna put that all over the green part. When I get to the edges, so the outer edge, I'm gonna try to be careful to stay just on the green. I really do want it to come all the way out. And then I would be careful when you're going into the inner corner that you don't get any in your eye, but again, I'm just being careful to keep everything just on the green. I'm gonna go back over the eyeliner again just to cover up some of that glitter. On the lower lash line, I'm gonna have green in the inner corner a little bit, but then I'm gonna take the red and concentrate that on most of the lower lash line. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use a whitish metallic shade. This is also from the Tati Beauty palette. This one right here. I'm going to put that right here in the inner corner, right on top of that green that I had put. I'm also gonna put some glitter there, but you need to be really careful that you don't get any of this glitter in your eyes. So I'm just tapping the brush right into the palette like that and getting a little bit of glitter right on the end. Just putting that right in the center. Next, I'm gonna apply some mascara. I have a gold eyeliner I'm gonna apply to the lower waterline. And then I'm gonna apply some mascara to the lower lashes. Now I'm gonna apply this fake eyelash. And there it is.